This seed contains 1,400 times more antioxidants than lemons and is known as the miracle seed. There are 4 key stages your body will go through after consuming this seed. Phase 1 happens within 15 minutes. You will notice improved blood flow and increased energy. Phase 2 happens within 72 hours. You will notice less bloating as your digestion improves due to enzymes helping break down food and absorb nutrients. Phase 3 happens over 2 weeks. Inflammation in your joints will decrease and muscle growth will improve. Phase 4 is known as the master reset. This will optimize your liver, clear brain fog, and break down belly fat. If consumed as an oil, the benefits skyrocket. Of course, I'm talking about the moringa seed.